the best facility in the state, and the best facility in the Midwest.
This is one of those monumental days.
You see it in a blueprint, and it's really not the same until you see it in real life.
A significant investment in the future of Dallas Center Grimes.
My first reaction, I walked in and it was just so surreal.
The Mustang Athletic Performance Center is officially open.
Obviously, I loved our old weight room, and that's all I had ever known. But walking in here, I just see all the opportunities.
Close to 600 DCG students will be using this space on a yearly basis, a major progress point for both extracurricular activities and high school coursework.
It's huge. I mean, it's going to be one of the best in the state, if not the Midwest. Being able to outfit a room like this for our kids and have them take advantage of it, both in the school setting with our classes and also in the performance setting with our sports, is going to be incredible.
The weight room ribbon cutting ceremony closes the chapter on phase 1 of the renovation project at DCG High School. From this incredible new band room that is used by musicians and our marching Mustangs, to a space of creativity in our new art classrooms used by more than 540 students each year, there's a lot to be proud of at DCG.
Dreams to reality, really. It's been awesome to see all the fine art stuff go up kind of on the first phase of this project, and now to see this side get taken care of a little bit. It's going to be just a huge benefit for our kids. I'm excited to see them use it.
When you have driven and determined kids matched with top-tier facilities, Dallas Center Grimes stands out and stands tall.
It's just completely game-changing. I mean, we have a place where we can come in and run. We have a place where we can come in and work, speed and acceleration and explosiveness.
There will be more opportunity to come into the building and more opportunity to get better, and we'll have more resources we can use to just improve our daily life. It actually brings so much to the program and DCG as a whole.
It's super exciting to know that all my teammates and all the future athletes will come in here and just be left in great hands, great opportunities, so many resources, and I know there's just so many positive things still coming.
When our students return to school on Tuesday, they'll be walking into a new future: art, music, athletics. This is us, DCG, and we have so much to be proud of.
There's always something going on here, and the fact that it's impacting all of us and our performance and every single activity that we're involved in is super fun.
It sets us apart, and I'm really, really proud to be a Mustang, all the time, but especially today, because, it's really awesome.